Bitty wanted to take a moment to thank the village of people that make nights like tonight possible. First of all, I want to thank the Millville Board of Education, our administration, particularly Ms. Sutton and Ms. Kiefer, for supporting the students in the arts. Let's give them a round of applause. This is kind of a laundry list, so be prepared to clap a little bit. Next, I would like to thank Rick Bird, our stage manager, who helps make the entire district look and sound fabulous all year long. Thank you, Rick. I want to thank the custodial staff who go above and beyond when prepping to host the community for music events. So let's give them a round of applause as well. I have to thank my colleagues Matt Adams, Joe Sino, and Rob DeSantis, who are the best musicians and teachers around and also incredible people. Matt and Rob have concerts later this week, and they're here tonight to support because that's just the kind of people they are. So let's give it up for the teachers here supporting one another. I want to thank the parents for their love and support of their children in the arts. I always say it's a blessing to be busy as a student and a young person, but that also means that if the student's busy, the parents and the guardians are busy. So thank you so much for taking time out of your lives to be here with us tonight. It means more than you know, so thank you. And finally, I want to take a minute to thank the students behind me and the Millville community for welcoming me here this year. This is my first year here at Millville, and I'm overjoyed to be a part of a community that cares so much about each other and invest in opportunities for each other. So thank you so much, and enjoy our final selection.